Welcome to our video on dry fruits for strong bones. Your bone health is essential, and we're here to show you how incorporating dry fruits into your diet can make a significant difference. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how consuming dry fruits can boost your bone health. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can help you maintain strong and healthy bones. Let's dive right in. First up, we have almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which are essential for bone health. They're also known for their protein content. A handful of these delicious nuts can go a long way in keeping your bones strong. Next on the list is walnuts. These nuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can benefit your bones. They also contain manganese, which supports bone formation. Adding walnuts to your diet can help you maintain healthy and sturdy bones. Now, let's talk about figs, also known as anjir. These are a good source of calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining bone density and strength. Including figs in your diet can be a tasty way to support your bone health. Dates are next on our list. They're rich in potassium, which helps prevent calcium loss through urine. Dates also contain magnesium and manganese, supporting bone health and preventing osteoporosis. These sweet treats can do wonders for your bones. Moving on to dried apricots. They're high in vitamin K, which plays a significant role in bone mineralization and calcium absorption. Plus, they provide potassium and magnesium. A delicious and nutritious choice for stronger bones. Prunes, also known as dried plums, are up next. They are renowned for their high fiber content and are a good source of vitamin K. They also contain boron, which helps in preventing bone loss. Don't underestimate the power of prunes for your bone health. Now, let's talk about raisins. These tiny wonders are rich in boron and potassium, both of which are essential for bone health. Boron helps the body retain calcium and magnesium, supporting overall bone strength. A convenient and delicious snack to strengthen your bones. Cashews are a good source of magnesium and phosphorus. Magnesium plays a vital role in bone health by assisting with calcium absorption and mineralization. Cashews can be a crunchy addition to your bone-boosting diet. Next up, pistachios. They contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to strong bones and overall bone structure. These vibrant green nuts are not only tasty but also great for your bone health. Last but not least, pine nuts. They are packed with manganese, a mineral that aids in bone formation and maintenance. They also contain iron, which supports oxygen transport in the bloodstream, promoting overall bone health. A small but mighty addition to your diet for stronger bones. There you have it, our top 10 dry fruits that can help you achieve stronger and healthier bones. Remember to incorporate these into your diet for maximum benefits. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. Thank you for watching, and here's to your strong and resilient bones. Stay healthy.